what made you to pick this character? Because it's a horror movie and it's your debut film, right?
Yeah.
So basically, people choose glamour things, kind of that kind of films.
Yeah.
And what made you to pick this?
Pick this because this is a good character. This character Renuka has a layers of to perform. So I thought that being an actor, it's always as I said, it's a pleasure to do a performance-oriented film.
Okay.
And definitely, Care of Kanjarapalam is one of my favorite. And you have watched that film,
yes,
right?
Yes.
And there are a lot of fans for that film in Kerala. Even when I was talking to one of my friends, close friends, that I'm doing a film with the director of Care of Kanjarapalam, she have already watched that film during that Corona time. And she was telling that it's wonderful film that we have received in Indian cinema. So when I got this opportunity, I was so blessed to work with such a wonderful director.
Okay.
And definitely I'll say yes to this film, of course.
Yeah, and working in Telugu industry, like it will be a great problem for you, right? Because language is most important, no?
Definitely.
So how did you get through this?
So basically we had a session, like we had workshops.
Okay.
So we had around 6 months of workshops.
For what?
For this character.
Okay.
Because I'm new to this industry and I worked in Malayalam film industry, but it is new to me.
Okay. What did you do in that workshop?
Definitely we have to learn the dialogues, right?
Dialogues, okay.
It's just not the ABCD, it was always the dialogues what I was going through.
Okay.
So I was learning. I was in a learning process around for 6 months.
Okay.
So
have you into any film schools like that?
No.
No acting schools, nothing?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I
That's a natural talent you have.
No, I don't say that, but I would say that I had experience to work with camera because I was a model.
Okay.
So I was modeling, I was doing ad shoots. So I got that experience to work with camera in the early stage. Okay. Then I started 2 films. Okay. That's how.
5 lines about Deepa Thomas.
5 lines about Deepa Thomas. I would say I'm a dreamer, I'm an achiever, and I'm a hard worker. And what? That's enough, no? 3 is enough for now.
That's so cute. And let's get into rapid fire.
Okay.
And the first question is, one funny incident from the shooting set.
One funny incident. There are a lot of funny incidents in the set. Okay. So as I said, Telugu is very new to me. It was very difficult, like I remembering all the dialogues. Okay. So one scene I remember that I was prepared for the shot. So Mahagaru sitting there to say action. So Satya Garu is near to me and we are about to say the dialogue. So if that action has come, it's very easy for me to say the dialogue. Okay. So suddenly we were prepared. All of a sudden, Satya, Maha, he went there. All of a sudden, I forgot all the dialogue and I was like, Vicky, come first. Tell me, Vicky is the AD of this film and I'm asking AD to narrate, to say the dialogue again. Okay. So I have these kinds of moments like, it should have tappe like fast. Okay. If take time, I'll forget the dialogue. So Satya used to do it like in between. Because
actually, that was my next question.
No, because it's a good thing. Yeah. Where he have a lot of doubts, he ask him what to do. Is it okay if I do this, like that and all? But it's difficult for me as an actor where I forget the dialogue so fast.
Okay.
Yeah.